they don't want to pay for it, which then cost us quite a lot of money. Welcome back to my channel if you've been here before, and if you haven't, my name is Mark, and on this channel we talk about making money online. On this series of videos, I'm going to be tracking my journey towards financial freedom, and right now we have 880 days left to reach that goal. So let me tell you what's been happening since the last video. If you're new here, I've got an app, I've got a course, I've got a social media following on TikTok, Facebook and Instagram, which is growing daily. Instagram not so much, but Facebook is definitely growing. YouTube is growing. TikTok is also growing. In terms of the app, that's probably the biggest money generator at the moment, but a decision I made a few months ago hasn't worked out in the way that I was hoping for. So when you first launched the app, it was set up in a way that you have to pay before you download it, which was doing quite well. It was doing sometimes 2K a month, sometimes a bit more than that. But then I was thinking, what if we make it free to download, and then once people try it, they can then love it and then pay more. What we found out slowly was that people, once they get something for free, especially an app like that, they'll want it for free all the time. They don't want to pay for it, which then cost us quite a lot of money. Because of that, we've decided to go back to making it fully paid. This was supposed to have been finished by the 31st of July, like including testing and everything else. This is now the 5th of August. So it's 5 days overdue right now. And this is because the developer was doing something else with his company at the time. I'm using a developer on Fiverr. So far it's been good, but now I'm just thinking about it. It might be something I need to think about, maybe getting an in-house developer who can dedicate more time to the app. But I think that's more in the future when there's more money coming in, because right now I don't think I can afford to employ somebody full-time to be a developer. I also mentioned in the previous video that I was trying to find a way of synergizing all my different things that I'm doing. So like TikTok, Instagram, YouTube and Facebook, so that they can all work together, and the course as well, and the courses that I've made, so that they can all work together. And I think I found a way. So I've been using this platform called Systeme.io, which once emails have been put on there, it starts sending them emails automatically, which you set up for yourself, and then you can then direct them to your other pages. You can direct them to courses that you've made. You can send them bits of information here and there. You can start off with the free version. I've actually made videos on how to do that, which you can check out using this link just there. Onto the separate social media platforms. TikTok is going well. I'm on now just over 750k in terms of followers. My pledge before was to start making more content that's geared towards promoting the app, which I've been doing. I've been doing that a lot more. I've been going out and about and filming, which is quite strange and fun at the same time. I haven't done that before. I went out and about and I started filming with the public, asking them questions on the app and showing them the app as well. And I've uploaded those onto TikTok, and they've been doing okay, just to raise awareness of the app. A lot of the videos that I've put on there have got the logo on there. So once people watch the video, hopefully they can then recognize this is made in association with Theory Test Hero. And then when they go to the App Store and they see it, they'll be familiar with it, and then hopefully there'll be a bit of brand recognition there. On Facebook, doing pretty well on there as well in terms of numbers, growing. But I've noticed, I think it's because of where most of my followers are from or where a lot of my followers are from on Facebook, but it doesn't pay as much as YouTube does in terms of ad revenue. I'm getting a lot more on YouTube than I am on Facebook, but I'm getting a lot more views on Facebook. But I think because Facebook, a lot of the people there that are following me are from South Africa, whereas YouTube, I have a lot of American followers and people from the UK that are following me as well. I think that plays a big part in terms of how much you actually earn for ad revenue. But I'll still continue to add videos onto Facebook because I have the videos anyway, and it doesn't take that long to upload them onto YouTube, and it's still generating extra income every month. So why not? And the more I do it, the more income I'll get. That's the plan anyway. And onto YouTube, I made a pledge to upload loads more videos, and I've been doing that, and I saw an increase in ad revenue every month, which has been really good. I've been getting a lot more traction on the videos recently, and I think it's because I'm consistently uploading videos. I'm uploading 2 videos at least a week, and that's been working a lot for me. And then onto the course, I've also started making money on that one as well. Most of the money that I'm making is through Udemy, which is like a third-party platform, and on there last couple of months I've made about just under £900. The plan is now to move that onto Wix, which is what I've done now. And then through that system that I showed, that I was talking about, the system.io, I'm planning to get people signed up to that course through an email campaign, which I've set up through that system.io. It's only the first couple of days of me setting that up, and I'm hoping that it's going to start producing some results in the next couple of weeks or so, because it takes time for people to get the rest of the emails, and hopefully by then we'll see if it's working or not. I'm going to show you all the steps on how to do that as well. So once I've done that and I'll start seeing results, I'm going to show you guys exactly how it's working, and hopefully it's going to be good. Next time you see me, the app would have been finished, so that then I can start showing you the results of what we're going to do. And I'm going to show you as well how we're going to aim to promote it, because since it's been launched, we've only ever done one paid campaign, which didn't really go too well. Now we're going to plan to do a lot more paid campaigns and to do a lot more organic stuff as well in terms of organic content. I plan to make an advert for it, which I will show you. I think I'll bring you guys along with me so you can see exactly how I'm going to do that. It's all in my head right now, but I'm going to show you the process of planning it and actually executing it. So yeah, that's pretty much it for now. I'm going to do another one very soon. Yeah, if you have any questions or any videos that you want me to cover, make sure you put them in the comments below. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.